Do 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 do. Tonight, I want to give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I want to do. Hey everybody, it's Paul Stanley from KISS. And we're here today to welcome you to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. I'm here today with Natasha. Ikadon Boozhoo, Natasha. Okay. Hey everybody, welcome to the show. And now please welcome Nana Boozhoo. Take it away, Nana Boozhoo. Sacrifice my sacred cow. That was then what this is now. It flies for the stage and take a bow. Ooh, do 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 do. Do 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 do. Boozhoo! Welcome back to the Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo podcast. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And I'm here today with my weenie machine, the one and only, I don't even know what to call you. My old man. Please welcome Nana Boozhoo.
Oh, hey, Boozhoo! Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Did you just say all this?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, sorry. All right. Well, hey, we have a very special Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo episode today. Today we're just going to play a whole bunch of songs from the podcast. And there's going to be a bunch of songs from KISS, from you guys over there. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. Yeah, how many times are we going to say that?
Oh, I don't know.
All right. Enjoy.
You show us everything you've got. You keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say you wanna go for a spin. The party's just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. You're looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
And you show us everything you've got. Oh baby, baby, that's quite a lot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
Study the conversation like a map. I know there is strength, the differences between us. I know there is comfort where we overlap. Come here, stand in front of the light, stand still, so I can see your silhouette. I hope you have got all night, 'cause I'm not done looking at you. No, 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 I'm not done looking. Yeah. Oh, what? Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. I am Natasha, and on the Katochikan, we have the one and only Nana Boozhoo. Please welcome Nana Boozhoo. And the song is God of Thunder by Ojindam. Kiss. All right, let's rock this thing. You got something about you. You got something I need. Daughter of Aphrodite, hear my words and take heed. I was born on Olympus, to my father a son. I was raised by the demons, chained to reign as a one. God of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul. I was born of the wasteland, a modern day man of steel. I gathered darkness to please me. I command you to kneel before the God of thunder and rock and roll. The spell around her will slowly rob you of your virgin soul. All right, let's what are we doing here? Do you want to announce the show, or should we just let's just jam and we'll announce it, afterwards. Okay. How about, let me think. Oh, I don't know. How about Ooh Child? Oh yeah, that's a good one. Okay. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna be brighter. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna be brighter. Someday, get it together, then we'll get it all done. Someday, when your head is much lighter. Someday, we'll walk in the rays of a beautiful sunrise. Someday, when the world is much brighter than now. Right now, you just wait and see how things are gonna be. You just wait and see how things are gonna be. You just wait and see how things are gonna be. Do you know True Colors by Cyndi Lauper? True Colors? Yeah, I think I know that one. Okay, let's do that. All right. True Colors. La 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 da da da. You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness inside you makes you feel so small. I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors. That's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show. True colors are beautiful, like a rainbow. Show me a smile then. Don't be unhappy, I can't remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, call me up, because you know I'll be there. I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors. That's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show. Your true colors are beautiful, like Natasha. Oh, sweetie. You make me blush. Oh, you see that, boys? That's how you win a girl's heart. You gotta sing to them. All right, one more song. One more song for the people. One more song to rock and roll all night. No, we already did that. Okay, here's a song. This one's called Dr. Love. Dr. Love. Oh, wow. All right.
You need my love, baby, oh so bad. You're not the only one I ever had.
And if I say I want to set you free,
Oh, don't you know you'll be in misery? Call me
Dr. Love.
They call me Dr. Love.
Calling Dr. Love.
I am a doctor of love.
Dr. Love.
And even though I'm full of sin, in the end you will let me in.
You'll let me through, there's nothing you can do.
You need my love and don't you know it's true? So answer please, get on your knees. There are no bills, there are no fees.
Baby, I know what your problem is.
The first step of the cure is a kiss. Call me
Dr. Love.
They call me Dr. Love.
Calling Dr. Love.
I am a doctor of love.
Dr. Love. Well, all right. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of, you know what we were calling it? OJIBERISH. Songs from the Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo podcast. I will see you again. Igawaba min. Minawa. Oh,